Hello student, myself Deepika. Welcome to Deepika Khatri Science Classes. Class 8th DAV CBSE Chapter number 11 Human Eye. The human eye. Some question answer. Firstly, short question answer. Name the part of the human eye which acts as a protective layer for the eye. हमारी आइज़ की प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर जो है कौन सी है, उस आपने ह्यूमन आई के पार्ट का नेम बताना है. सो कॉर्निया इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द ह्यूमन आई विच एक्ट्स एज ए प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर फॉर द आई. नेक्स्ट, द प्यूपिल अपीयर्स ब्लैक. वाई? ऑल द लाइट गेट्स पास थ्रू द प्यूपिल. सभी लाइट प्यूपिल में से प्यूपिल के थ्रू पास होती हैं एंड नथिंग इज रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक फ्रॉम इट, सो इट appears black. Next, differentiate between rod shaped and cone shaped cells. Rod shaped cells, these cells get activated in dim light conditions. Cone shaped cells, these cells get activated in bright light conditions. Next, rod shaped cells do not help in color vision, but cone shaped cell help us in color vision. Next, near point and far point of eye. The nearest point which our eye can focus without strain, about 25 centimeter. Far point, the farthest point up to which our eye can see clearly, infinitive. Next, question number 4. State the difference between myopia and hypermetropia. So myopia, the defect of eye in which a person is not able to see far off distant object clearly. But hypermetropia, the defect of eye in which a person cannot focus nearby objects clearly. Next, difference between tactile aids and auditory aids. Tactile aids include using the sense of touch to read and write, like बार्ली सिस्टम या जिसको हम कहते हैं ब्रेली सिस्टम. ऑडिटरी एड्स, दिस इंक्लूड्स यूज ऑफ ऑडियो टेप्स एंड सीडीज एंड अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन द टर्म ब्लाइंड स्पॉट ऑन रेटिना. तो ब्लाइंड स्पॉट ऑन रेटिना, द पॉइंट ऑन रेटिना insensitive to light due to absence of light sensitive cells. Next, persistence of vision of human eye, the brief continuance of the sensation of vision for 1/16 of second. Next, question number 7. What happens to the image distance in the eye when the distance of object from the eye increases? Image distance is always fixed and cannot be changed. Only the thickness of eye lens is changed to focus image on retina by power of accommodation. Next, question number 8. If an object is kept closer than 25 centimeter, the text print appear to be blurred. So, is the image formed beyond retina or before retina? The image is formed beyond retina. So next, the image is blur even when object is at 25 centimeter. What is the eye defect and how is the least distance of distinct vision affected? The defect is hypermetropia and the least point of distinct vision is greater than 25 centimeter. Next, a person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. What can be said about the eyeball size? State the nature of the corrective lens that is needed to restore his proper vision. So the eyeball is elongated. The lens used should be a concave lens. Thank you. Have a nice day.